Good morning. We've got a good travel day in progress here today. In Fargo, temperatures have been warming nicely. We're at 40 degrees at the noon hour right now. If you're heading to the airport, weather is cooperating with any air travel that you may have here this afternoon and into this evening. We do have some partly cloudy skies, a warm afternoon ahead of us, and wind, it's a little brisk, but that will start to ease up as we head further into the afternoon. At some of our connecting airports today, well, we've got some warmer temperatures. This might make you feel a little cold. We're looking at 70 right now in Denver. Phoenix is at 77, but places like Minneapolis and Chicago kind of in that same range with us, into the 40s right now. Nashville, that cold pocket of air behind the cold front that brought us that big chill, it's affected places in the south too, and Nashville's only at 44. Right now, things are looking pretty quiet. So at those airports, at least, we're looking pretty good. There is a little bit of rain down into northern parts of Arizona. There's some snow up in the Cascades and parts of the Rockies, the northern Rockies there. They have some winter weather advisories in that area. And that front has moved off to the east and into the Atlantic. Just a couple of remaining some snow showers coming off the lakes here in some of the eastern Great Lakes. So here's a look at the valley here. We're looking at quiet conditions, just some clouds streaming through and in between some sunshine. So not too bad at all out there. And temperatures are really rising where that warm front has gone through. You can see where we've got that warm air punching in. 50 degrees right now in Jamestown. Sisseton is at 54. We're looking at 40 in Fargo, and not as hot for November standards up in the north and east, but we are seeing temperatures in the mid to upper 30s there. So as we take a look at those numbers, you can see everybody's above freezing, doing a little bit of melting, or in some instances a lot of melting if you still have some snow over in Jamestown and Sisseton. Wind speeds are not super strong, 5 to 15 miles per hour. You can see most of us have a south wind. It's starting to turn westerly in our western counties as the cold front is approaching. Ahead of it again, we've got this beautiful weather here for today. So this afternoon, expect temperatures to be on the rise, more into the places on the south into the 40s and 50s. Northern Valley will either hold steady or see temperatures climb to about 40 degrees. I think our numbers now are a little bit too low here given where we're at right now, but we will see some more mild conditions. A mix of some sun and clouds continuing into the afternoon. And then tonight, here comes the cold front. We'll see that move through eventually. It still looks pretty decent in the 5 to 6 o'clock hour. We've got the tree lighting in Fargo, and it's looking pretty nice. I mean, you're still going to want to wear your winter gear, but you're going to be warm enough in that. You're not still going to be shivering with temperatures into the mid 30s around 6 o'clock. And then into this evening, we'll continue to watch that wind turn, and eventually we'll see that northerly wind take over for tonight. Once that happens, colder air starts moving in. We may see our warmest temperatures of the day tomorrow after the midnight hour because of that colder air punching in out of the north. Tomorrow morning we'll start off. You could see some snow showers here around 8 a.m. in northeastern North Dakota. I'm changing our forecast model here just to show you that there's a couple of different scenarios we could see. Perhaps a couple of spotty snow showers, or perhaps a more solid line initially, and that could lead to a little bit more accumulation. Eventually it's kind of falling apart as we head through the day tomorrow. But still, if you are hitting the road, I would be ready for some spotty snow showers combined with those northerly winds gusting into the 30s. That could lead to some issues on the roads with visibility from time to time. So not the ideal travel day, but it's not one that's going to shut down travel either for your Wednesday. Cold air, though, for Thanksgiving, still looking at single-digit lows, some of us above, some of us below zero, and we'll see some temperatures recover by Black Friday. We'll be back into the 30s. So just hang in there. I know that cold weather is going to be tough on Thursday for anybody stepping out for Thanksgiving, so just bundle up.
Yeah, that sounds terrible, but I'm excited for one last day of sweater weather.
Yeah, you know, we've got beautiful conditions out there today. If you can get outside and enjoy it, even for a little bit before that sun sets, I suggest you do so. It's gorgeous.
I think I will. Thanks so much, Lisa.